In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Temu with the added comfort of a dark mode. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your screen or simply prefer a darker theme to complement your browsing experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive in step by step to make this happen effectively. First things first, we need to go to Temu. This is your starting point, and though Temu itself doesn't offer a direct dark mode option, don't worry, we have a handy workaround in store for you. So open up Temu in your browser to get started. Once you have it open, you'll notice, as mentioned, the absence of a direct toggle for dark mode in the platform settings. However, the key to achieving this lies in your browser settings. Now here's where we get a bit technical, but it's straightforward and I'll guide you through it. You'll want to access a special settings page in Chrome known as Chrome Flags, which contains experimental features that Google is working on. To do this, type Chrome//flags into your Chrome browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll be brought to a page with a plethora of settings, each one allowing you to enhance or tweak your browsing experience in different ways. Once you're there, you'll use the search bar at the top of the page to look for dark mode. This will filter the flags down to those that relate specifically to dark mode features. You'll likely see a feature named something along the lines of Force Dark Mode for Web Contents. This is Chrome's way of allowing you to apply a kind of universal dark mode across all the websites you visit, including Temu. Look for the drop-down menu next to this flag. By default, it will likely be set to Default. You'll want to change this setting to Enabled. There might be several different variants of enabling dark mode, like Enabled with Selective Inversion, but feel free to experiment with these options to see which provides the best outcome for your needs. Once you've selected your preferred option, you'll need to restart your browser to see the changes take effect. Chrome usually prompts you to relaunch right away, or you can close the browser manually and open it again. After restarting, head back over to Temu. You should now see the website in a much more eye-friendly dark mode. And there you have it. You've successfully applied dark mode to Temu using Chrome's built-in features, making browsing much easier on the eyes. This trick can be particularly useful for late-night online reading or simply keeping your screen consistent with the rest of your device's theme. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any difficulties, feel free to reach out for more assistance. Enjoy your new browsing experience.